Hello, these are the directions for working with AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, if you are utilizing a Chromebook that doesn't support the download version of Microsoft Office. So if you are unable to access Word or Excel or PowerPoint on your computer, if it's a Chromebook, what you'll do on the left-hand side where you have all your tabs, you'll look for what's called VDI, AWS Appstream VDI. You'll click that, and you'll have to sign in like you normally do with your credentials. And it'll load. It'll take a few minutes to load, just under 2 minutes. So go ahead and wait. It'll ask you one more time before it's accepted completely for your password again. Type your password again and click sign in. And it should be connecting your account to the virtual desktop, which is located on campus. And if you'll notice at the very bottom, you have a taskbar with the window and search box. That's for your computer. There'll be another one once we get into the virtual desktop that'll appear above it. So you'll be working in the virtual world. When you see the image of Building 19, you will know that you have reached the virtual desktop. And you can see there's 2 windows. So right now you want to make sure that you stay on the virtual desktop. Do not go down to the first taskbar, which is your computer. Also, at the very top, you're in what's called Amazon Appstream 2.0. Make sure you stay there. Do not go to this Blackboard. Stay in the Amazon. So I needed to get into Blackboard in order to get to the AWS. So now that I'm in the virtual desktop, I'll open Google Chrome or Windows Edge or Firefox. And then I'll make this screen a little bit larger. It's taking me to the home page for Stick. And then I'll choose eTools and select Blackboard. And because I already logged in, when I click STCC account login, it'll take me right to Blackboard. And then you'll go to your course. Courses. And then you'll go to the assignment. And there we are, the assignment practice working in AWS. So you're going to answer 4 questions from a Word document: your name, your favorite food, what do you stream on or binge watch series, and your future dream job. So what you'll do is make sure you use the search box on the top taskbar, and I'm going to look for Word. And I'll open Word. Choose blank document, and you'll answer those 4 questions. And if you want, you can put numbering on and answer them with numbers. So answer the 4 questions: your name, what's your favorite food, what do you binge watch, and what's your dream job. So now it's time to save. So what happens is you're not going to save it to your computer because you are actually saving it to the virtual desktop. Otherwise, you wouldn't even been able to get into Word if it was on your computer. So you'll choose File, Save As, and choose Browse. And then double-click this PC. And then you'll see Temporary Files. So go ahead and click Temporary Files. And so make sure it says up here, Save As, this PC, Temporary Files. And if you didn't save and submit this right away, you'd lose it. It goes away because you're in the virtual world. I'm just going to type AWS for the Amazon Web Services. And then go ahead and click Save. And I'm done with Word. If I wanted to keep Word open right here, I could go right to Blackboard, and I'm staying in this one. I'm not going to this Blackboard. Or if I wanted to, I could just minimize or close. I'm going to close because I saved it. It's all set. And then to upload, you actually click the name of the assignment. It changes to a hand pointing, which is a link. And then once you go here, it'll review all the instructions. It tells you when it's due and the possible points that you could receive for this assignment, all the directions, and go all the way down to upload files. And then you choose browse local files. And then it should be right in here in your temporary files. There it is, AWS, open. And then what happens is you'll see that you're attaching this file here. And if you wanted to add a comment to send to me along with the assignment, I had a little difficulty doing this, or I wasn't able to, you can give me any kind of comment you'd like. And then you click submit. I'm not able to submit because I'm not in a student file. So once you do that, you can then, when you're all done working with all of your assignments in the AWS, make sure you click this little icon right here. But I should probably close out. So I'll close out of X and close out of Blackboard. Sign out. And then this icon right here for profile, make sure you end the session for the AWS. So the important thing to take away from this is make sure anything that you're working on in the AWS, this virtual desktop, make sure you submit it. Because if you save it and you submit it later, it's not going to be on your computer because you're in the virtual desktop. So these have to be completed and submitted all in the same session. Thank you.